This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about barbecue skewers, specifically these paddle skewers that are made of natural bamboo. And you have both the natural bamboo color available and also the shaved bamboo. And we'll show you what those look like. So these natural bamboo have just that little bit hint of green on one side for a fantastic stylish option versus the shaved, which are a nice, beautiful, even tan color. And there's a variety of size options as well. In the natural, we have 8, 6, 4, and 2.5. And in the shaved, we have 11.5, 8.25, and 6. So these are a fantastic option to use since they're made from biodegradable bamboo, which is also exceedingly strong and provides excellent durability without splintering. The paddle handles make them both a stylish option and also functional. You've got a nice grip there for when you're loading items up, but also for your customers to take hold of when they're eating. The variety of lengths available allows you to pick the right ones for your needs. And they're great for making up things like drink garnishes and appetizers, fruit skewers, meat skewers, and kebabs. They're great for restaurants, bars, hotels, barbecue stands, food trucks, and caterers, or just for use when you're entertaining at home if you want to impress your family and friends.